Hello everyone. Today we show you new version of ClearVision. I just wanted to show you really trend idea based at the previous bar for any time frame. But basically I just wanted to show you some ADR, but it showed me really good potential to use it as a trend direction. So we look at previous version now at this chart. We're gonna look at 1 day ADR, that's clear pips from day open today at today bar D1. At D1 we use it ADR, like it just show you not percentage, it just show you clear pips today from price open at D1. So we compare this with new version. New version will be here. This indicator is based at new signal, call it ADR percentage from yesterday. Percentage from yesterday I call it, but we can call it percentage from previous bar. We can call it too, because we can put here any time frame we like and use it at any time frame we need for current and previous bar. So what's the point we're doing here? Here we take the body of previous candle. For example, now you see outcut is 3000% from previous bar. The body of current outcut at current time frame is H1, and we can see that it's a big jump from previous body. We take a look at this pair. What do we see at H1? This is H1, and indicator also stay at H1. He calculate everything for H1. We see that little body was there, and we can see a big move, like a 3000%. In percentage, this body bigger in 10,000 times as this body, little body at previous bar. So it's very big recover here. So we can do it at any time frame we like. Also, I would like to discuss with you D1. It's really important for the members who trade intradays and use some basic indicators that use ADR stuff. We will reset up this. We're gonna change something. We will change it, like we will go D1. It's okay, it's no problem. This indicator will use only two bars, current and previous, so it will not load this type of entry. I mean, this type of calculation will not use more than two bars. So don't worry, it will load your MetaTrader as a previous version. This type will be little faster work. So there we can see your card. There was a down before, and now it's go down. And we have to find your card. Where is it? Your card. That's a little person. Your card must be some here. Your card is 7%. You can find your card also near card or your card. It's your here, your card. This is 5%. That's a 5%. This body shows us that it goes in minus. Only 5% from that range from this previous bar at D1. We stay at D1 here. That's correct. So basically, what happens when trader see some trend? What happens? So this is D1. Okay, let's go at D1. Any pair in time frame. So once you see that the situation like this is D1 time frame. Okay, I will find this for D1. We can see this is a range from yesterday. That's 100%. So today at open, if this bar will go 100% again, if this bar will go down again, but you, for example, your strategy, suppose you open it here yesterday some buy and you in draft down, you can only start buy from this point. If the bar will show you again 100% from yesterday, only here you have to start to do some average. 125%, you can add another. 150, you can add other. 175 and 200. That's all you can do today from yesterday. Only after this point you have to start to average this, expecting it will retrace. And this is a good potential always. After 100 points you will see something like this. It's a really good potential for price move to back. Don't enter here between this 0 and 100% today. Don't enter here any buy orders if the bars show you that it goes down. Wait this move. Here was situation that was a really low range, but it showed 1000 moves, like almost 1000 recovery. Then again, but we would not enter here. We would open here some buy orders, and it started to retrace, as you can see now, to low. But again, see what it shows us. They are down. We would open only here buy. We would only open here buy. The sell orders we would open it here, but I expect it to go down. We would close it, and here we would buy again. That's really can work. We have to try it, and we have to understand where we can enter. We can only enter not using, for example, 100. We can start to enter 125%, 175. Only two orders will be added here, but not trade this average levels. This is, you have to get used to this and understand where you can enter. This is really good potential for traders, and they understand which percent they can average the basket of the pairs. And some pairs will go really fast in profit, other pairs you have to wait, and next day you have to average this. And I hope it can work for retracement. But for trend, also interested for trend. What can we see now? We can see that AUD and ZD very strong now. AUD and ZD day one. Let me look again. Sorry, indicators list. There is average, right? We can only here 2 bar, but if you even enter 500 bar, it will not work. You need only 2 bars maximal. It will not change anything. AUD and ZD, what is AUD and ZD here doing? It shows us trend. AUD cut, what happens with AUD cut? This is day one. Let me change to H1. What do we see? AUD cut and USD UP. Okay. USD UP, where is it? At H1, it's really trend stuff. Take a look at this. This is H1. It tells us it's a good move. See this? It's a good recovery and good move here. That's a really good trend potential for MPGO. We can try to do it. Only one thing I am afraid that where we have to stop. Where we have to stop open grid. Like we can use it grip with stop losses. That's what we can do. But in trend, it's really interesting. What else we have? We have USD UP in buy. USD UP, where are you? This is USD UP. Take a look at this. Also H1. We already opened it, sorry. And AUD cut and ZD USD. And ZD USD, AUD chief. AUD cut. We already saw it at H1, I think. H1. This is good recovery, very good recovery, even 2 previous bars, as you can see. That's a trend signal. Okay. So the retracement with ADR that I showed you, with percentage of ADR, makes sense use only at day one time frame, but for trend you can use this H1, H4, M30, even M30 you can use. If you take a look at M30, also the same pair will be, I need to recalculate, don't worry, like this. Need to load more history. The indicator must be loaded at least 2 days. You have to prepare your the terminal must be online 2 days. Then you have to switch all time frames to make indicator work correct at all time frames. I don't recommend you use less than M30, M15, M5, M1 not use with such entries. It's not good. H1, H4, M30, like this. GBP UP, look at this, what it's doing. H1, GBP UP. H1, it goes, this is little body. The problem is also that when the body is little, we can receive a lot of percent at current bar. That's the problem. I will try to understand how to use high lows maybe. What you say? We will say with that previous bar, if body in plus, we use H high and low, I mean, and we take as 1%. But what we have to do with open price? Open price also can show us directions. Then it start to retrace. It will receive 0, and then we use current price when it's go to high. We will receive plus from high low. So the same, we will use only open price as a start point, but we can use also current price. It will show us at current bar, it will show us distance. It's not problem, we can calculate percent, but we'll calculate percent from high low at previous bar. I believe that will be more correct. Okay, let me check it. Modify it a little bit. I made it for you. Indicator list, ClearVision. What do we have now? We have now high low and open close. I will show you now high low. That's high low now working at 2 bars at any time frame. This is D1. Day 1. So that use high and low, and we use open and current price distance to understand what the percentage from previous bar high low at any time frame we like. You can see it. And also big movements and recovery of the body you can see. I believe in scalping and everything like that, better use open close. Take a look at these percentages. This percentage is sometimes bigger. It shows us big and fast movement, more in like open close, more in like high low. The open close is better shows. Compare this out, down, NZD in top, and then you see it out, down, NZD in top. Now you can see the previous version of indicator, NZD down and previous in top. Now it tells us UP but not NZD, and there is also UP but out. Here stronger show us the recovery of the body based at open close, not UP. That's the difference. And here you can see out NZD is now stronger, the most stronger out NZD. Where is our out NZD? Out NZD, take a look at this body recovering at day 1. It tells us it started to move. What about H1? H1 now, GBP UP now started to jump. Take a look how it fast working. It works really fast now. GBP UP, where are you? GBP UP here. So take a look at H1. It started to recover. Look at this. It's recovered even this move. It continue to go up. And how many pips? How many pips we have? We have here not much, 25 pips, but it shows us it started a move to some level. It's really show us something if we use open close. If we use open close, but if we will change to high lows, the percentage from previous bars, the current body will be compared in percentage from previous bar body. What we will see? We will see that all market almost up now. That's what we will see using high lows. But at current bar we only compare not high low, we use open price and current price. We not use high low at current bar, but at previous bar we use high lows in that case. We use high lows in that case. There's the difference in two type of entry, of new type of entry in this indicator. Version 2.3, guys. I will soon will let you test this. High lows, yes, this is high lows. We also have usual ADR pips as previous version was. You can everything compare. Now you see only clear pips from, we not compare with previous bar, we just calculate simple pips from day open to current price, day one. What this pair euro cut tell us that euro cut only 9 pips from day open. The current price is now 9 pips. Where are you? That's the 9 pips, guys, of the body of current bar of day one. You can do it also at any time frame. You can switch. You just press indicators list. You just put here current time frame and ADR pips, 2 bars. Always use 2 bars with such ADR, any ADR method. You have 3 ADR method, use only 2 bars. You don't need more. You don't need this. You don't need this stuff because it will not find anything for you. It only use 2 bars. With other indicators you can use it. For example, if you will use stochastic, for example, it will find correct stochastic at previous 2 max bars. But for this strategy you don't need to hide this chart. You don't need it. There is all information. Who in top and who is here. So now what do we need? We need this, and we need this protected EX5. Test this, guys. The previous and new version will work at the same accounts. No need to activate anything. If you need more accounts, post at forum. Test this version, is really interesting. If you will like it, I will add it into MPGO as trend entries.